the end. We'll link up the play, and we just don't always need to go straight for kind of Thiago.
One more thing we did see, Kirsty, at Queen's Park Rangers is that
As Brentford fans,
that's what we've seen from Christoph Ayer.
full level head at the back, which you need.
He clearly didn't. Another long ball through the Vigo once again. Let's probably hear some of Thiago looking to try and head it on. Now back on the halfway line. Dix in his own half. Dropping off his own feet. Lewis Potter ready to take a quick throw. Waited. Thiago was waiting for the ball to come towards him. And yet Tabakovic, who's come deep. He's on loan himself.
I was literally about to say the same thing. Who'd have thought a couple of years ago, 3-4 years ago, that
Borussia. Thiago can thread this through to Carvalho on the right-hand side, and he was so. Here's Borussia again. Lovely skills into the box, takes a deflection, comes back again, and that. Like it may have been Grant Leon Ramos. All the work, it's comes back in. Gladbach, who've been having the better of the play in the last 15 minutes. Keeper just about got it past Damsgaard that time. Easily picked up by the Germans as they make their way on the left-hand side. Halfway inside, there by Tabakovic to Maritz in goal. But there, Valdemarsson looking for Thiago. He was beaten to it in his Dix on the halfway line. Oh, well done, Carvalho to once again. Back with Dix as he
do something. You'd kind of want to see it more to his feet or his chest, so we can get it down and link up.
Comfortable. It hasn't been until the 40th minute. Rights to the veteran Nico. A different set of circumstances in the first half, but I have to say, once Brentford offered a bit more going. He tries a long ball down the right channel for Thiago to check by Damsgaard. Damsgaard coming through Thiago here into the penalty area. Havoc last time. Not happy with a lot of the pushing and shoving was going on. Nathan Collins just pushed. A few smiles and laughs about back do well to get the ball back to their own keeper. That part of the pitch at the moment, Kirsten.
No, exactly that. And I think last season
we don't look like Jensen spins one into the box. There's Collins heading down again.
First half where we didn't have anyone running into the box, and Carvalho's just picked up that space really nicely. And
that is what Carvalho needed. Brentford have got a goal. Didn't really look like it was coming in. It might be another one here. It's Damsgaard. Picks the ball up, anticipated the ball, just cut in field a bit and played it through. Time lucky. Mikael Damsgaard makes no mistake this time. Beats the keeper from the. Ball played out to Thiago. He's up in time. Now here's Coyote with that long stride of his. Just tried to help it forward towards.
And the way he gets on the ball and finds a really good pass forward in Yarmouk, they probably feel a little bit freer and a little bit more confident.
And Carvalho just got caught in position, just back for a loan spell at the end of last season with Wolfsburg. And the shot comes in. What a good shot that is! Ball tonight, but he drilled that one past Valdemarsson into the.
And I mean, as any player, you never expect to have that much probably time and space on the edge.
He just played it a fraction behind him. Just chasing the into the last 90. The ball headed forward again, that time by
And it just assured the players on the pitch. Well, you definitely seemed like everyone could just relax.
But to Borussia Mönchengladbach to.
Borussia Mönchengladbach harus puas berbagi skor 2-2 dengan Brentford dalam laga uji coba pramusim yang digelar di Stadion Community Getek, Sabtu, tanggal 9 Agustus tahun 2025, dini hari WIB. Pertandingan ini berlangsung cukup seru karena kedua tim saling menyerang. Gladbach sendiri sebenarnya sedikit unggul dalam penguasaan bola, namun lini serang mereka kurang kreatif. Di sisi lain Brentford kerap menciptakan manuver-manuver berbahaya meski ujungnya tak bisa memanfaatkan peluang yang mereka ciptakan. Grant Ranos dan Frank Honorat menjadi pencetak gol bagi Gladbach, sementara Brentford membalas lewat Fabio Carvalho dan Mikkel Damsgaard. Kevin Dix tampil penuh. Brentford kesulitan kalahkan Borussia Mönchengladbach. Pertandingan dimulai dengan tempo cepat. Pada menit kelima, Carvalho mengirimkan umpan silang dari sisi kanan. Namun Nicolas sigap memotong bola sebelum Damsgaard yang sudah mengintai bisa menyambar. Gladbach mulai mendapatkan peluang berarti di menit ke-20. Tendangan bebas cepat dari Stoger diarahkan ke Elvedi. Namun sundulannya hanya melambung tipis di atas mistar gawang. 5 menit berselang. Peluang emas kembali hadir bagi Borussia. Van den Berg menanduk bola hasil tendangan sudut, tetapi Nicolas dengan refleks cepat berhasil menepisnya. Gol pembuka akhirnya tercipta di menit ke-30. Bola mengarah ke sekali di sisi kanan kotak penalti. Upaya pertamanya sempat diblok, namun ia kembali menguasainya dan mengirim umpan ke tiang jauh yang disambar Ranos tanpa ampun. Gladbach unggul 1-0. Menjelang akhir babak pertama, Borussia hampir menggandakan skor. Stoger mengirimkan bola kepada Honorat yang langsung melepas umpan silang ke arah Tabakovic. Namun sundulan sang striker hanya melebar tipis di menit ke-39. Babak kedua Brentford vs Borussia Mönchengladbach. Laga babak kedua langsung dibuka dengan peluang berbahaya untuk Brentford. Menit ke-46, Carvalho menanduk bola hasil serangan cepat. Namun Nicolas kembali tampil gemilang dengan penyelamatan krusial. Borussia mencoba merespons cepat. Di menit ke-50, Elvedi menyambut tendangan bebas cepat dengan sentuhan halus. Sayangnya bola hanya memantul tipis di atas mistar gawang. Damsgaard nyaris membuat Brentford menyamakan kedudukan di menit ke-55. Ia mendapatkan 2 peluang beruntun. Yang pertama diblok oleh Nicolas dan Nets. Sementara yang kedua dari jarak dekat kembali ditepis Nicolas. Gol penyeimbang akhirnya lahir pada menit ke-69. Collins menanduk bola hasil tendangan bebas ke tengah, dan Carvalho langsung menyambar untuk mengubah skor menjadi 1-1. Drama berlanjut hanya semenit kemudian. Nicolas mencoba mengirim umpan dari belakang, namun Damsgaard berhasil memotong bola dan menembakkannya melewati kaki sang kiper. Brentford berbalik unggul 2-1. Borussia tak menyerah dan terus menekan hingga akhir. Di menit ke-86, kombinasi Ulrich, Kastrop, dan Heck berbuah manis ketika Heck memberi umpan kepada Honorat yang melepaskan tembakan rendah ke sudut gawang. Skor pun menjadi 2-2 di penghujung laga.